To change shift lock from shift key to control in Roblox Studio, you need to edit the mouse locker controller keybind settings. Here's the correct method to do it. First of all, open your game in Roblox Studio. Now play the game. And now come to this Explorer section. In here, open Players, then open your user, then open Player Scripts, and then open Player Module. Then open Camera Module. Under Camera Module, you have to scroll down and open Mouse Lock Controller. And here select Bound Keys. If you don't see these bound keys in here, you can just create a value called bound keys. Right click on bound keys, click on rename, and set it like this: left control, comma, right control, and hit enter. This makes shift lock work with control key instead of shift. Go ahead and check while you are playing your game. And now all you have to need: close mouse lock controller, close camera module, and close player module. Now all you have to need, right click on player module and copy it. And now you can just stop playing your game. And now to make it permanent, under Explorer, find out Starter Player, open it, select Starter Player Scripts, and right click on that and click on Paste Into. And then here we can see the player module successfully added inside of this starter player. Let's open player module, camera module, and mouse lock controller module. And here we can see the left control, right control added. So that's how we can actually change shift lock to control on Roblox Studio. Thanks for watching.